And it seems to me that every time I turn the news on, it just gets scarier and scarier. And if we don't take this time right now, while the focus is on us, while people actually care and all the letters of intent and these purposes are coming out to capitalize upon it, it might not ever come again. But to truly change the face of this nation, it will require a generational program that rigorously recruits, trains, and places Black students into positions of influence so they can influence their own lives and the lives of their family before and after this. When we look back 3 generations ago, Black individuals could not even attend undergraduate university. So how could we ever hope to call upon alumni networks or for this concept of social capital? I'm so proud of these students right here and so proud of what Love the Playing Field has done and will continue to do for our Black and minority students in this nation.